Hello everyone. So we're going to start with question number 15. It states that the sum of the coefficients of all the odd degree terms in the expansion of x plus root x cube minus 1 to the whole power 5 plus x minus whole root of x cube minus 1 to the power 5. So in this we have been given that x is greater than 1 or 0. So we have to find the sum of all the coefficients of the odd degree term. So it's very simple. We will use the identity a plus b to the power n plus a minus b to the power n equals to 2 into c coefficient of a to the power n, c coefficient, first coefficient to the power n, 0 to n is the limit, second coefficient, then fourth coefficient. So we will state this formula into this equation. After using this equation, we will apply it to this equation and we will find that we will take 2 is the common, 0 to 5 is the limit of the first coefficient, x to the power 5 plus 5, 0 to 2 to 5, x to the power 3. And similarly, after simplifying all the coefficients, we're going to find that 2 into the power x to the power 5 plus 10 into x to the power 6 minus 10 into x to the power 3 plus 5 into x to the power 7 minus 10 into x to the power 4 plus 5x. And here we can see sum of all the coefficients 5, 6 and 3, all the coefficients. We're going to find that by 2 into 1 minus 10 plus 5 plus 5, that is equals to 2, and therefore we're going to state that answer is 2. Thank you everyone.